Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to apply for Klarna credit card online. So in order to do this, you'll have to basically apply for your Klarna credit card directly in the app or by logging into their website. So you can navigate to their website and log in using your user credentials. Then after logging in, you will see the wallet option. Go to the wallet option and tap Klarna credit card option that you will see there. Then choose sign up for free option that you will see there. Now, to be eligible for the Klarna credit card, you must be a resident of the US or its territories within the valid US address. Then, you must be at least 18 with a valid SSN, that is social security number, and you must have previously used Klarna and paid on time. Also, you should have a good credit history. Now, if you have all these things and you click on sign up for free, it will instantly sign you up for a Klarna credit card, after which you'll have to just wait for the credit card to arrive. So the Klarna credit team will review your application and the information that you would have provided or the account that is associated with the sign up page, and after the review your application and they found out that you are fit for their credit card, they will instantly issue it to you. Also, they can contact you back regarding this credit card. So that's the simple way through which you can apply for Klarna credit card. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.